there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana with the Paper Pineapple, and today I'm going to be working on week 22 of my Project Life 2022 album. Sorry, I've been a little missing in action lately. I've been a little busy with kids. Kids are now out of school, so now I'll be able to catch up on my Project Life. So I'm going to go ahead and arrange my pictures, and I went ahead and used a kit. I think it's called Happy Day it's one of Becky Higgins mini kits, and so I'm just going through those cards, and I pick up this one. I can't remember where that's from, another separate kit, and so yeah, I'm just putting my cards in. I've already printed my pictures, and I arrange those cards how I want them. This week we celebrated Memorial Day, and so the kids had the day off, and it was such a fun day because the kids have never seen a slip and slide before, so that was pretty fun. I grew up with a slip and slide, and so I, had to show the kids how to do it. I mean, obviously I didn't get wet, but I had to show them. It came with a little board. Yeah, that was fun, and the kids got in the sprinklers. Even my daughter got in, and that was fun to see her enjoy her time with her brothers. And they had popsicles, and then we had a barbecue. We had family come over, and it was great. I got a cute little Ray Dunn set, and I decided to put there as well. And I do add in a card, you'll see later. It's just like a pamphlet of an actual event that we had here in our downtown area. It was called Glorious Junk Days, and so my husband and our family, we really like to go antiquing, and so we'll go downtown and check out the shops. And I picked up these cute, they had tons of vendors and food, and there was this one little cute shop, and they had Ray Dunn stuff, and I decided, ooh, I like this cute little set because we do eat lots of salsa and chips and guac, and so I just thought that it was so cute that it came with these own little wooden spoons. So I wanted to put that in my Project Life. And the following picture is a picture of me and my sons. We went to go cheer on our little friend, our neighbor next door. He's on the Yankees baseball team, and we went to go cheer him on. So we were in the bleachers having our sunflower seeds, and that was great. It was fun. The bottom picture is a picture of my daughter. There was a special 4.0 ceremony for students who've completed their 2 years at their middle school, a special ceremony for them, and so that was really neat. She made her own slideshow, and they put it on the big screen, and then I got to go up and award her with her medal, and I got to put it around her neck, and that was very, very special. And then we did take a family picture with her, so my husband and I took a picture. So yeah, that was very, very special. We're very proud of her. She's worked so hard, has always done really well in school, and so yeah, that was very special. So I had to document that. I do end up putting a little ticket stub that came with us. It was like a special invitation for those students, and it came with it looked like a little admit, one of those tickets where it says admit one, and so I do take that and I embellish that picture to add that to that little piece there. I do have a program and the actual invitation, but I think I'm actually going to do a spread on that, and I'll probably put that, do like a little pocket. This is the little flyer that I did end up taking, and I do end up putting a picture of my daughter. She was just fascinated with this teal phone with the cord, so she took this random picture. I just love that she just takes these random pictures of herself. Well, I take them of her, but that is our thing. Hey mom, a random picture, and so we just take these random pictures, and I have a collection of her already. It's pretty fun. I like that she's very spontaneous with that. Here I use that ticket that I talked to you about, and it just says admit one. I use my mini attacher, Tim Holtz mini attacher, and then add that to the picture. I decide that I want a journal last, and then at the top I do end up a little flag there. I had a little stamp set that I picked up. I can't remember if it was Joann's or Michael's. You know how they have those little $1, $3, $5 bins. I picked up these cute little American, 4th of July set, and I figured, snap it and, talk about our Memorial Day. I'm going to jump over to the other side, and the top picture is a picture of my daughter. They had their last cheer group meeting. It was their cheer awards, and they awarded them with all the girls got their awards, and then they had a pool party, and then the coaches catered it, and it was pretty amazing. And then the parents pitched in for this photo booth, and it's just a little picture. There's tons of strips of photos. Actually, me and my friends, we took our pictures. The girls take pictures. We took a picture with our girls, and it was just so much fun. That photo booth was such a fun addition to that pool party. And so I just pulled out these board stickers from Cocoa Daisy. I believe it's the March kit. I can't remember. I really like these. Are foamy, and they were a little hard to separate because you have to poke through the little spaces. That was a little difficult, and but I managed, and I just added a star, and then just added feeling because the girls were sad. It was kind of bittersweet because they were happy and excited. Then they were sad because that was the last time that they were going to be together. The 8th graders were going to be gone. 7th graders were going to be 8th graders, and it was just very emotional. The girls cried a lot, and some were happy tears, some were sad tears, but they had an amazing year. They did so good during their competitions. So very proud of them. So this card here is just like a cutout, and I just backed it with one of the cards that came with the collection, or with this kit. And then I had already ahead of time punched out all these cute little what is it called? Labels, and so that they're ready. And I just happened to pick this orange one, and I just journal about the experience that I had with my son. He had his last field trip of kindergarten. They went to the zoo, and then I add one of these little stickers. I wanted this arrow, but then I felt like it didn't go well, so I just removed that and added smile. I felt like it was more suitable, so I add that on there. And then I believe I do add a little puppy heart sticker just to complete that card. And then I call that card good. It was so emotional. Like, it was so much fun, but very emotional for me because I, did all of these trips with my kids. Like, this is my last one. This is my baby. And this is the last zoo trip, the last pumpkin patch trip, the last everything. And so, I just get very in my feelings. And but I did enjoy myself. I did enjoy the memories that I make with my kids. I just can't believe how fast they grow. So anywho, here is I believe this is the last of my cards. I decided that I wanted to add some sequins, so I added some gold stars in the pocket where the girls received their medals. Her and her besties, or 4.0 students. And then I added red, blue, and white because those are the school colors of the cheer team. I know it kind of doesn't really go with my spread, but it goes with the picture. And so there's a lot of red and blue on Memorial Day, the school colors, and there's more than one picture. So I figured it's okay, I'll just go ahead and add it. And then I will conclude by doing my journaling, and this week I'm going to write it out. I don't really care too much for my writing. I think I need to practice more. I think I lost practice because before I used to have really good penmanship, and when you don't use it, you lose it. So yeah, I just figured I'm just going to go ahead and handwrite these cards out, and then I call it good. That picture with my daughter on the phone is just going to be, I punched holes in that little flyer, and that will just be like an extra like a card that will go in between the two layouts. I believe that will be it. Later I will seal my pockets with my fuse tool. I don't want to seal the other pocket because I have to do the following week then, so I don't want to seal that, but I'm going to go ahead and seal those off camera. And then I do decide to add date stamps on the two small cards, the one that says feeling and smile. I do add the dates on the top corners, and then that'll be it. This is my layout, guys. I hope you guys like what you see and that you give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do apologize for not putting up a video, but things are crazy. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!